Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me. Today, just received the Pure Bass wireless JBL Tune 710 BT headphones. As you can see, let's turn it light on, a bit more light. There we go. Yeah, really good. Hands-free calls, multi-point connection, lightweight and foldable design, voice assistant supported. There. When I open these, it came with, just let me get that there. We have one Type C to whatever that's called, connector, and then if you've run out of charge, which I very much doubt, you have this, because mine is a Samsung Galaxy S20 5G Plus. I need this Type C adapter to a 3.5mm jack, and then they work great. So I'll put these to one side. That's the bits to one side. These have a 50-hour charge, which is great. See there, left and right. I've already tried them, absolutely brilliant. One thing that did scare me is when I put them on, a horrible clicking noise, click, 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 even when I was playing the music. So I went online. Somebody told me, well, suggested that I turn down the volume on the headphones themselves, and that cured it. Absolutely spot on. So all I can imagine is the volume was turned right up on these, and that really did affect the quality. And then when you connecting to your phone, too much volume going through it, click, 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 click. Now I've turned that down, I can turn it up and down on my phone fine with no clicking at all. So I'm dead pleased with those. I think these were 60 odd pound. Well worth it. I think 69.99. I think from all Goths. Really recommend them. It's really good. They feel really good. The only thing I would say about them is that the tension here when you're pulling them, when they're gripping onto your head, I'm used to quite a light tension. This is a bit stronger than I'm used to. I might get used to it. I'm just worried it might give me a little bit of earache. But if I'm like wearing them for like a good 8-9 hours at a time. So yeah, there we go. There's the on off button. There's your cable, your Type C, your 3.5mm. There's your 3.5mm with your 3 for audio, 1, 2, 3. And then this is your mini version. That goes straight in there, like so. There's your on off button, up and down, answer your phone calls. And then we have just around here, you can see that. Okay, I lost myself now, yeah. Side there, we have our Type C. So yeah, spot on. Yeah, really nice set of headphones. Really pleased that I got them. Like I say, it did panic me when I started getting that clicking noise, but I went online and the problem is sorted. I thought I was going to have to send them back. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the 50-hour charge time, and I'm really looking forward to wearing them in and around the garden. They're going to keep my ears warm in the winter, plus I can listen to some nice Virgin radio. I love that station. So yeah, if you've got any questions at Untitled Chapter, folks, if you like any of my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep yourself safe. Thank you. Bye.